Hi there, Joe Crawford, chatbot copywriter and dialogue designer here. Today, I'm going to be taking you through how to create and use a translate interaction in the SnatchBot platform. Now, translate seems simple, but it's actually very powerful, especially if you have a bot where different users could be using different languages, or there's a lot of written inputs and outputs, and you want to give your users somewhere where they can quickly and easily have something translated. In fact, I've seen some chatbots whose translation function is really what it's all about. And this is one case where that would be a very valuable interaction. So I'm going to show you how it works. To start, let's select a chatbot. In this case, I'm going to be using the translator template, not a template, sorry, that I've created myself. So the first thing you'll want to do is to add an interaction, and specifically the translate interaction. As it says, choose this if you intend to translate the user's response to another language. Now, I've already done that and have one begin to set up here. So that's my welcome interaction. And I've added a message, enter text, and I'll translate it, as well as my error response. Now, let's get into the mechanics of how you actually get this set up. So you can see there's a translate settings option, which if selected, will show a key and the two languages. But in order to first do this, you need to get your translation key. Now, SnatchBot uses Azure services from Microsoft and their Cognitive Services API in order to have that translation done. So to get started with that, select Translate Settings. That's going to open up a new tab. As you can see, there are some options here. Now, you need to get your Azure key, and you just follow 6 steps to do that. First, you're going to create your Azure account, which I've done. Select Cognitive Services, and then add the Translator Text API, and make sure you're using Resource Group West US. Next, all you have to do is copy the key into the field below, click Save, and then go back to your build. It's very straightforward, and Azure has some free trials that you can use if you want to get started. One nice thing is if you have the Pro plan from SnatchBot, you can get this translation setting without having to go through the steps of setting up a Microsoft Azure account and getting the key. So let's jump back over. In this case, as you can see, my key was inserted. I had selected my from language to my of English to my to language of French, mostly because that's the one that I can verify. So with that in place, let's go back and let's give it a quick test. I'll select the test icon from the lower right. As you can see, it says enter text, and I'll translate it. In this case, let's do hello. And as most of us can know, the French translation is bonjour. And then that'll queue up my next message again. So as you can see, it's quite simple yet powerful to add the translate interaction. It gives your chatbot a whole lot more depth and makes it easier for people from different languages to interact with your chatbot. So that's all for now. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you very much for watching, and look forward to speaking with you again soon.